Valentine's Day is around the corner, and if you're still wondering how to find a date, don't worry, you're not alone. Finding the right girl takes time, effort, and the right approach. So, if you want to eventually find a girl this Valentine, here's how you can make it happen. Step 1. Be open and put yourself out there. You won't meet someone by just waiting for the perfect moment. Whether it's online dating, social events, or simply striking up a conversation with someone new, being open and putting yourself out there is the first step. Confidence is attractive, so take that first step with a smile. Step 2. Know what you're looking for. Are you looking for something casual or hoping for a meaningful connection? Knowing what you want will help you approach the right people and avoid wasting time. Be honest with yourself and with others. It makes things much easier. Step 3. Make the first move. A lot of people wait for the perfect moment, but the truth is, the perfect moment is the one you create. Whether it's sending a message, asking someone out, or just giving a compliment, making the first move could be the beginning of something great. Step 4. Don't fear rejection. It's part of the process. Not every approach will lead to success, and that's okay. The more you put yourself out there, the more comfortable you become with the process. Every no gets you closer to a yes, so keep going. Step 5. Be your best self. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about confidence, humor, and energy. Take care of yourself, dress well, and most importantly, bring good vibes. When you feel good, others notice. Finding a girl this Valentine isn't about luck, it's about effort, confidence, and the right mindset. So, put yourself out there, take action, and who knows, this Valentine might just be different. Keep going, because eventually, you'll find what you're looking for.